He's helping.
So he thinks.
This is one thing she couldn't do with 55-1, open a door by herself.
I got a door up. Ooh. Do not close on me.
Looked like you needed a hand.
A little bit.
Whoa, that's a cool door.
This is cherry.
It's dusty.
Dusty.
It's dusty, but
Foot chalk.
Thank you. There's only holes in this backyard.
Yeah, you can't quite grab it. I can try and open the window for you.
No, it's okay.
now I'm confused. One's male, one's female.
Can you let the
Tell
door
by
close a little bit for me?
Yep.
the grill.
There's one more. Right there.
All right. Door is braced.
Thank you.
Yep.
I don't know how to do this.
Do you need my shoulder to grab onto instead?
No, I got
You sure?
this. No.
You sure?
Do you need help, Jess?
Yeah.
Okay. You're limited on
Rotate.
grabby.
Yeah.
You're limited on hand grabs.
Not like we don't know someone who does that.
Not for Willys. Foot stuck.
Now, I don't know,
Videographer.
Jess,
There's my brace. There it is.
but I got a sneaky suspicion.
And foot.
Hi,
I got a
Coda.
real sneaky suspicion. These seats that are in it
Yeah.
are the back seats.
Probably.
Because of the way they're split?
Yeah.
And the way they're attached.
I can see out the front windshield for once.
Can you see the end of your Jeep?
Yes.
That's impressive. I can barely see the end of my Jeep.
I can see my hood. If I do this.
Well, that had me guessing up under the hood
Yeah.
is there's heater hoses on the driver's side running down the frame.
There goes my door too. I don't know. Can you see it, Teeny?
Yeah.
Did you look at
Tilt. There you go. Now you're squared up.
Much cleaner.
It's got a lot more rust, but
Rear heater.
you have a rear heater.
I have a rear heater.
It's got one problem.
It's loud as hell.
Well, that it says Ford on it.
Ow.
Chuck it.
First on race day.
Okay, you got 2 drive shafts spare. You got a new gas tank sitting back here.
Yep.
Oh, cool. You got burlap.
I'm very close to being an unsub apparently.
Yeah.
Beck,
Gee.
I don't know how they work, so just be careful. One hand on the outside of the window pane next to you,
Owie.
and one on the inside and push back.
No.
But you know,
you right here, right now, it's not going that way. It's coming this way.
Oh,
hey, thank you for twinnies.
okay.
Yeah, it's supposed to come this way, but
But it's not.
going that way.
Okay.
Hi, Tweenie.
Wood looks 100% better back. I told you that.
Yep.
I truly, truly believe that they are the back seats, not the front seats.
Yeah. Which I mean, if they are, then, and we think it would be better just to use these instead of jump seats.
Well, what I'm looking at is either way you have 4-seater now,
Yeah.
because that's getting a bucket.
Yeah. Gasser's getting buckets.
I don't know if you can see it from the driver's, Mom, but open the door. Look down at the kick plate, the floor right there.
Okay.
The rubber,
Right.
that's all original.
Oh, my word.
And it has a headliner.
You do, and it's in really very good shape.
Please don't put that down on.
Putting it down. They're stuck up above it.
I don't care.
What?
The
I-
2 wasp nester.
Yeah, we know.
No, I'm freaking out because I'm hearing her pull on.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want it dropping
I
on my
opened the
head.
back window and I opened the hood. That's all I did, all day. Okay, so you may have a Rambler motor.
That changes how we go about things, huh? These seats balance cameras much nicer.
Sounds good. I'm gonna start shutting this up.
Cool. Yeah. Push forward, there you go. And down.
Little grease, but nothing near like that one.
Cool.